guys, there is something that Jabulani Kumalo said when he was in Political Incorrect. He mentioned that there are two Mkhonto Wesizwe that are registered and that one is not registered with the IEC, right? And I saw the other day, Umsiza did a video. He actually shared that video to me. So I'm going to play part of his video and then I'm going to play you what Jabulani Kumalo said. I want you guys to tell me what you think. What do you think is going to happen here? Where do you think this is going to end up? Tell me what you think, because I think this is interesting and it's something that we should actually watch out for. Listen to this.
And when you go to SCIPC and you search Umkhonto Wesizwe political party, ngithe yazini, let's start with this one, lo mkhonto lo. Nawubona lo ogcina ngo590. Kesibona ukuthi bobani ama director on that campaign, because we just want to know ukuthi Umkhonto Wesizwe political party lo osetshenziswa eCIPC bobani ama director kakhona njengokusho kwaba uJabulani Khumalo. And then definitely that company, it's registered lapha eShowe in KZN. And then if you go to enterprise history, kuyavela ukuthi vele ubaba uJabulani Khumalo, he's the director, like founder of this Umkhonto Wesizwe party. Guys, let's be honest, kusho ukuthi ubaba uJabulani Khumalo akakhuluma manga, ukhuluma iqiniso. And then as well as these are the directors of that Umkhonto Wesizwe party. So kusho ukuthini ubaba uJabulani Khumalo, he was speaking the truth. But if you look at the enterprise history, or like the way ama events enzeka ngakhona on this enterprise, ubaba uJabulani Khumalo was removed as the director last year, I think around December, on this enterprise. So the verdict of this story, kusho ukuthi uJabulani, he was correct about this enterprise. And then let's look at another Umkhonto Wesizwe. This one, niyawubona lo waka 2019 5777501. Athi sicheke wona ukuthi kwenzakalani ngaphakathi kwale company. Most interesting about this one, if you look at the address, ukuthi i-register kuphi? KwaNxamalala. Back to Enkandla. This one it belongs to kuphi? Enkandla. And then let's check ukuthi bobani abaphethe this Umkhonto Wesizwe. Nazo. Do I need to say more, guys? There's nothing to say more. Kusho ukuthini? Ubaba uJabulani Khumalo was also correct about this one. It's a family business. Babu Jacob Zuma, Duduzile, no.
I want to raise something else also that I think people doesn't understand. As we speak now, Zuma has his own Umkhonto Wesizwe. It's Umkhonto Wesizwe, not Umkhonto Wesizwe party. They've registered their, in fact, they bought it from the chef. Somebody registered Umkhonto Wesizwe, then they bought it. Now, they using Umkhonto Wesizwe party to put it into a shame, so that when they leave, when we take them out to their MK, they will leave the party in a mess. People not believing that MK can save or can assist them in any way.
Hold on there. So you're saying two entities exist. One is called Umkhonto Wesizwe, is registered. One is called Umkhonto Wesizwe Party. It's also registered. You and your collective leadership own Umkhonto Wesizwe Party, and Jacob Zuma has bought the rights of Umkhonto Wesizwe from someone who's a cook. Is that what you just said?
Exactly. And what they are trying to do now is to, I don't know how I can call it, but they want to use it. They are trying to take our registration into this bogus company so that they can continue in parliament. There are lots of things that are happening. Those people are crazy. I don't think their mind is working well anymore. But what I want to say is that there is that two different parties. But what you need to understand, MK Umkhonto Wesizwe is not registered with IEC. It's just registered with the CIPC, and that's where it ends. And also, it has never advertised our name, our logo, our abbreviation. It's only Umkhonto Wesizwe part that did it, which is the original company to IEC and also to CIPC. So that's the difference. So people must not be confused. Zuma has got his TOEFL. This is called Umkhonto Wesizwe. It's there. If they want, I can supply them with the certificate. They've got the certificate already. It's him, Tutuzile, and his son. Then
Wait, you said it's Zuma,
Tutuzile
Tutuzile,
and
and
his-
Tutuzan.
no, the other son.
Which one?
I can't remember his name, but he's got another son that is involved in the MK.
Are you alleging that this thing of saying Umkhonto Wesizwe is a family business, it's there in
There is
the
it's there. It's live. There is that TOEFL that they have that is registered with the CIPC. They've got it.
Mbulez, Aumeka Nan. Umeri Padi has been alleging